Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G14 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, let's start with the internet connection. Make sure that you've got one, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. It is also very important because if you do not have your Google account added to the device, which you can do by following my other tutorial, you will have to do it. So add the account right now, so you can either log in or actually sign up, so create the account, because without it you will not be able to use the Google Play Store. After that, simply tap on the circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Right here we have to tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and basically we have to tap on updates available in order to check which one we can update. So basically, if you want to, of course, you can mark all of them, but if you want to just pick only one or two or three, whichever, up to you. So I will pick Google Chrome, simply mark the option, the app you'd like to update, maybe Google Photos and maybe Messages. So all we have to do right now after marking is to simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will start the downloading, and after that it will immediately and automatically install the update. So basically you do not really need to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait. Right here you can simply browse the internet, you can chat, whatever you want to do with your device, because everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.